Hey you guys, Matt here with
Steven.
And today we're gonna hike Three Sisters Waterfall. So made out here. It's been about like 4 years I think since I've been out here. So let's hit the trail. There's a little parking lot. You just start your trail here. Steven, let's go. So the parking lot's on the other side of that little hill. We just went down and started looping down. So it loses altitude all the way down to Three Sisters right there. Booyah. It's getting pretty toasty up here, but this peak has a nice breeze. You can kind of see the dry waterfall down there. It is the end of September. So kind of know for water levels and all that jazz. Let's get going. Downtown, something fast and homebound. Da 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 da. One wrong move and you're having a mighty long fall. Oh boy, oh boy. Base. It is completely dry. So as I said at the start, I think the last time I was here was maybe 4 years ago or so. There's a decent bit of water. Let's see if I can find some B-roll footage or a picture. Steven, what's this whole outfit you're doing? Super tight shirt and black gloves.
These are my adventure gloves.
I guess we're adventuring. Let's head up there now, see where we can go. We hiked up there to the edge, up to about right there, and the trail ends, and it's just a very flat, soft rock with a steep edge. So we decided to come back down this way and go up kind of that way. Let's see if we have better luck. Well, there's where we just were. We went up this side now. We're trying to get over there. Thought that this trail might go up and over and back down. No, it just keeps going up. So I think it goes to a peak over there. What on earth? So we've been chilling for about an hour at the bottom of the Three Sisters. You can see the water level super low. Last time I was here, it was just absolutely flowing. But 1 and then 2's up there, 3's all the way at the top. We tried to cut over, but that rock's just so sheer. But there are a few snakes down in here, or a snake, and tadpoles, mosquitos. Not really too nice to jump in this time of year. Okie dokie, I think we're gonna call it and start heading back. Shadows are starting to get a little bit longer and the sun's starting to head down over the mountain. So off we go once again. And there's Steven. Follow the pink ribbon road. We're finally in the shade again. Feels really nice. But Steven alerted me to poison oak. Oh my. The way down was nice. Just all elevation going down. The way up, ooh, it's a workout. What is love? Oh shit, I love you. How you doing, Steven? You did? I'm getting close.
Not even close.
Oh boy, it's toasty out here.
Close. We got this.
We're a couple hundred feet away, almost there. Almost back to the car.
Soon enough, we were back at the car. It was time for a little break in the air conditioning. Then we started our 20-minute drive over a dirt road back to civilization.
And end it with burritos and Julian. I'm really white there. Just like that, it's time to end a great day. We just had some mighty fine burritos. Time for the long drive home. Adios, amigos.